today? What's today?
Welcome. This is the 500th video that he's produced and filmed and posted and all that.
500 videos, so
yep.
A lot of you have watched every single one of them, and we appreciate that.
Yep.
But this may be the first time anybody sees this for a new subscriber, potentially. So we thought for 500th video, we'd take a tour of the shop, show what we're working on, show what we do.
Sure.
And
we have a lot going on.
I guess we do.
A lot of cars we're doing. We got.
So I'm gonna film Pops and follow him around and see what he's working on.
This is the 68 Shelby GT500 tribute that we did.
It's nice.
It's nice. 428 motor in it.
Look at those red and white wheels, man.
Yeah.
Somebody did some custom stuff.
Chris customized that. This has the, like I say, the 428. It's a 68 motor, fuel injected, air conditioning.
What's the belt off for?
That's for the air conditioner.
Oh, is it? Okay.
or for the power steering. The power steering hose blew off for me, so we got to get that worked on. AC
charged, power steering, and wash this dang thing. Look at all your dang elbows all over your fenders.
I know, it's all.
What are you doing?
It's
You
messy.
better protect
So
that
we just
thing.
pulled it in here because we got room. And then this car's Doug's. This is his convertible, 67.
67 convertible, yep.
And we got a floor there. Where'd it go? Oh, I put it.
Oh, you moved it over there, yeah.
Yeah, the floor's over there to go in it. That's our next thing to do. Behind it's a 70 Charger.
Yeah, we'll go film that. So, in the first video, if you go back to our very first video, we had a wall there,
yeah, you can
and
see
a wall here. And that was a pinball room.
Train room, pinball.
Trains and pinballs. And
we outgrew that. We needed.
Yeah, what did Mama tell you?
I was going to talk about building the garage behind this garage, and she's like, no way. You've got a big garage. Take the wall down. You don't do the train set or the pinballs anyway. We have one pinball left, basically.
Yeah, we got the Twilight Zone over
Twilight Zone, which I think that's really spoken for too. So we took the wall down, and that's why we got behind on videos. It's been a while since we posted a bunch. So
yeah, we haven't really been working on. Oh, you got Janak Fenders on there, don't you?
I just threw them on there.
Boy, they look right and nice right out of the gate. I haven't seen them on the car.
Yeah, these are the.
Hey, they're falling off. You better be careful. Oh, you already put a hole in it?
Yeah,
and you got a bolt in it? Okay.
I got a bolt there.
Oh, you just had it propped up?
You can see they're going to line up perfect.
Wow, that is awesome.
These are the brand new. This is the first production OEM replacement fenders for
Janak. Oh, you got Janak reproduction shirt on too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay.
There's something on the back.
Yeah, you got all the perfect best wing cars on the planet. There's the drag car that we filmed in there. There's Weldon's. Wellborn, is it Wellborn? Yeah.
Wellborn.
And then I didn't see these two cars, but I saw those two at the Aero Car Reunion.
So yeah, I mean, I don't have all these holes drilled out yet.
Yeah.
Because we just got back from Talladega last week.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a lot still to do on these, which I'm just so happy we have them. But
oh, they're amazing. I love them.
Yeah, there's a video. I think our 498th video. You said.
Oh, $4.99 Janak reproductions.
Janak reproduction.
So it's been 12 hours since it was posted. It's got 500 views and over 50 hours watch time. So
yeah, so
people were interested in what Janak's doing, and he's doing some great stuff. And this is a tribute to that.
Yeah,
we're gonna put him on this car. It's gonna be awesome.
The best if you're doing a Daytona or a Superbird, talk to Grant Janak, because he's got everything you would ever need to. If you want to convert one into a tribute, or if you got a real one and your fenders are bad,
or you got a perfect $1 million car
and you want to take the nose off to protect it because it's metal.
Yeah, because that's $30,000 worth of metal.
Get one of his fiberglass ones.
Absolutely.
Now, a lot of guys are doing that.
Yeah,
so
his stuff's awesome.
Around.
So yeah, we'll just kind of show what we did. If you've seen some of our videos, you've seen this kind of evolve. There's another 70 Charger. That's a 70 Charger there, isn't it?
70, and that's the fenders I've been working and modifying to do.
And they're great. So if you want some metal fenders that Pops has worked, he's worked those.
I've already cut them off.
He's cut them off for Daytona fenders, and they're metal,
they fit
and
the Janik.
they fit the Janik nose. They're nice. Oh, that's
And
the
I
other
may
one.
keep these here because they're metal. Because I have over there a metal hood. I don't know what I'm doing yet, so
Yeah.
we'll see. Because I really like the Janik fenders. I
think
buy
we're gonna
another
do
set.
a full Janik hood, fenders, everything on this car. And then you sell the metal ones to somebody that
There's-
wants metal.
And there's the nose
Oh,
for the one I'm working on now. But I still have a lot to do before I get to that.
I can barely see that. It's too dark. Too dark down there.
Then the 69 Charger is coming along. It's just about ready to do the final finesse sanding, and
Oh, I didn't even talk about mine over there.
and there's Chris's.
I got my rear axles. Now I'm gonna probably, the plan is to take his wheels that he bought for this until I buy a set of custom rims and spend $5 grand on wheels and tires on that car.
Yeah.
I'm going to put his oh, let's go open your paint. Let's go open your paint. And tell me about the Omaha Orange. What's the Omaha Orange in regards to Daytonas?
From what I've read,
Oh, another thing in the shop is we now have draft beer. Look at that, we got a little kegerator over here. Yeah, so we got a kegerator and we got some Yingling in there. It's only 42 degrees right now.
we're opening it.
I know.
We
I just
bought
like the look, make sure it's still there.
We just bought the paint yesterday for the Daytona Tribute, and I'm back and forth on what I want to paint it.
You were Y2 yellow for a long time and I didn't like it.
Yellow.
Mom didn't like it.
I didn't want to go with the orange, the grabber orange.
Mine is R4 red, bright red, Tour red,
Daytona
Charger
Tour.
red,
Yeah.
depending on Plymouth or Dodge or whatever.
And
But mine looks orange until we look at this orange, I believe. So
yeah, and if you put his next to a
Hemi orange.
Hemi orange, his looks more red. But I think this Omaha Orange, there was one car, it's 999 code, which is special order, and I believe from what I was reading, one Daytona was
built
Omaha
999 special order color.
Yes, and it's out there. It's well documented.
It's probably $1 million car.
Oh gosh, probably more than that. But so I got my tribute's going to be to that car. We haven't opened this yet, so we don't even know what.
Yeah, we just got these yesterday. We went to Don Garlett's. That's probably the video
That's
that is posted.
The 499.
I don't know if I've still got Don Garlett's in the can, and I've got Doug's video that he did the Mustang show.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah, I like
Boy, that's
it.
orange.
I like it.
Yeah, this is kind of a modern orange color we just saw on a Jeep today.
Yep.
So, yeah, this compared to your car.
No, battery's about to die. I gotta change battery. Be right back. Okay, now
Okay.
fresh battery.
Compared
Whoa!
to Candy Apple Red Mustang, it's orange.
Yeah, wow.
But compared to
Oh, yours is way oranger.
his R4 rim,
I'm actually gonna think mine is red now, aren't I?
it will look red now.
Wow.
Big difference.
Mine looks red. I've thought this car is orange, so now the whole thing looks red when you've got that as a litmus test.
So, this will be what this car is.
Yeah,
Omaha Orange.
that's gonna be so
It's going to
cool.
have black stripe, black wing, black interior.
Black,
that's
white,
just-
black. What'd you say? Black stripe.
Black stripe, well, black bumblebee,
wing.
black wing, black interior. And that's just like the one that was ordered. And it's
Is
going to
it?
have
It
the,
didn't have a white
no,
white stripe on the back. No.
no, white would look good too with a white interior, but the one that was made had the dog dish hubcaps with the
And you're gonna
orange
paint
ring.
your wheels that color
My orange,
with the dog dish.
I have the exact same wheel, and probably red line tires. So that's the plan.
That's gonna be so cool.
So can't wait. We got this down at the Automotive paint place in Gainesville, Florida.
Yeah, I'll throw up a little sign for their location
Okay,
here.
I
Ask
don't
for
see
Rachel.
our,
Call her Rachel, even though her name is Ashley.
I don't have the sledgehammer from.
Oh, we never brought it back over here.
It's supposed to be hanging.
Yeah,
Anyway,
that's supposed to be hanging there. The
So-
Milwaukee sledge.
that's our plan. But
We did his topper over the last couple years. But the lift came in the last couple years. We kind of migrated towards having all our toolbox in the center there. And we still have, well, I'll just show all my parts and his parts and everyone's parts. Here a parts, there a cart. Everywhere a parts cart.
it's tighter now.
Yeah, so that's basically a 69 Dodge Charger. All new parts on the shelf there, and then this is kind of his area for all his stuff. We have another 428 motor block. Did the Talladegas have 428s or 429s? So maybe if he gets a Talladega without a motor, he could do a 428 in it. I don't know, but that's what that Mustang has in it, is a 428 as a GT500.
Once I get
Looking at what?
once I get the Daytona Tribute done, I'm looking to add, if I sell the Mustang, a Dan Gurney 69 Cyclone spoiler.
There were
390
a
automatic.
couple at the show that I was like,
Yeah.
whoa, that's the Mercury
I like
Cyclone spoiler 2. I think it had,
Yeah, it's like a Talladega, but I'm not getting the spoiler too, just the spoiler. It's got the regular grill, bucket seats.
I liked that car too with the regular grill.
I
That
know.
it kind of popped out the headlights and
Yeah.
kind of did a little zigzag in the center
good
instead of the flush front end.
And I'd love to get a Talladega, but anyway, I mean, the GT Mustang, it's an awesome car.
Oh, it's a beast.
Tremec.
You got a Tremec in there. You got a 428.
5-speed,
It's a
428.
monster. You just need to.
Fuel
What is
injected.
wrong with those dang BF Goodriches? Well, you got yellow.
Yeah, they need to
Oh
be
my,
clean.
good lord.
It's been sitting for a
You
while.
are the worst detail guy on the planet.
Yeah,
You'll build a $100,000 car and then you won't wash it.
I know. No, it's been undercover for a long time. So anyway, it's a good 100th or 500th.
500 videos. It's been a lot of work to do all the videos.
Yep.
It has been worth it. So you know what. I'll put this down and I'll film us again.
Okay. Yep, it's been great to be able to work with cars and meet all the people at all the different swap meets, shows. You can't find a better set of people. You know, meeting Grant Janik and his wife Megan. Heck of a business they have in Texas.
Even Eric Breen and
Eric
Tim
Breen,
Welburn.
Tim
And
Welburn.
I mean, this doing Clark's Place has, it's not that it's not that Clark's Place has opened any doors, but just doing Clark's Place and being in the right place at the right time. We've met all you people at all the car shows that we
Yep.
film, and we at Garlett's yesterday, I had 5 or 6 different people that chased me down as I was going and filming because they know us, they appreciate us. The one guy with the yellow TA
Oh yeah,
yesterday,
that was nice.
that he grabbed Pops and they talked for a half hour about all of their stuff. And I may include more of that in the future because I forget what the guy's name is. He was there filming too. Country
Oh, yeah.
Corner Hunter, Country Car Corner Hunter. I'll put a flash of his website up here too. But
Yeah, he's been doing a lot of filming.
he does the interviews with
interviews.
the people, and that's what you guys are interested in. He says he's got 10,000 subscribers. We've got just about 2. I don't know what you guys want. I film what I really enjoy, and I enjoy seeing awesome cars, and that's what we put out for you guys. And you've responded a ton. We appreciate it. Thank you all. Thank you. We can't thank you guys enough.
Oh, I know. It's fun for us. It doesn't take that much to set the camera up and film what we're doing. I think we're more along the lines of how we do our work, how not to do the work because we make so many mistakes.
Yeah,
So-
I just bought axles that rear end with the factory axles with the factory wheel studs. I hope that people learn from me that they go, oh, you need 3-inch axle studs because you've got these wheels going on this car. It's what everyone goes through when they're putting together a car, is the trials and tribulations of buying new parts to go on an old car and retrofitting everything together. So.
Well, I'm planning to take these fenders and do the videos. We're drilling out, I mean, nothing's drilled out as far as how all this mounts, which, you know, Grant has all these places already ready. There's little nubs up here for putting the scoops, but how it's fit, how you can make the adjustments. So hopefully it'll be some learning videos for those that want to take your Charger and make it a Daytona tribute. Or you have one and you want to make, you know, save your metal fenders. It'll be something that we'll make the mistakes for you.
Yeah, I'm sure we will.
You'll know what not to do.
Dude, they look great already.
But, you know, there may not be mistakes.
I mean, they're just set there and everything is already lined up for bolt holes and everything. So I'm super stoked at the way these look.
I know. So we'll try to film as detailed as we can as we go through getting these fenders fit. A hood, I may go ahead and see about getting a fiberglass hood from Grant, Janak.
Yep.
But I do have the metal one that I can use for fitting everything.
Yeah, you got one there, back there, behind your trunk deck.
That came up for the other
I think you have 2 more in the trailer that are worse shape. But somebody's going to be interested in those. They're going to buy them.
So, anyway, that's the plan. We're getting close to getting some sealer and color on this after we get everything fit.
I loved seeing the orange today. That is...
Yeah, that's going to be great.
Awesome. Love it.
All right. Well, I don't have anything else.
Happy 500th video.
Yep.
Thank you all for watching and continuing to watch. We really appreciate it, and we'll keep on putting out stuff we love. And anything else you want to say?
Anything else that you want to add, let us know.
Yeah. We've probably not so much all the time doing it, but people have asked us to film certain things, and we've sent videos to YouTube subscribers that have asked, hey, what is the rear sail panel window with the headliner, what does that look like inside the car?
Sure.
So anything as you see us do these cars, we've got a Mustang, we've got a convertible Mustang, we got Dodge Chargers and Daytonas and Chargers. So anything you want to see filmed, we're happy to send you a little snippet of how stuff goes together. We've got all the service manuals that show how everything goes together, so I've sent pictures of those books as well for people that want to know what bolt goes here, how's the window regulator go in on a 68 Charger. So I've done a lot of that behind the scenes, so I'm happy to help. Whatever you guys need, we're here for you. And we have Moultrie's coming up, the swap meet up in Moultrie, Georgia. We'll be filming that, and I think you're planning to go down to the Turkey Rod Run. Either with Doug or Harold Zimmer from Maxville might go with me too. I don't know. Our friend Doug Hoare is filming from the Concours d'Elegance up at Hilton Head. That was this weekend. So he'll have some video he brought back. We'll get that posted. That's Doug's corner. 501, yeah, that'll be Doug's corner. I mean, he's a Mustang. He helps on all these cars, so he's over here almost as much as we're here. So he works out here more than we do now. So anyway, yeah, it's a good working relationship with people we've been dealing with. So we're happy. Excellent. All right. Okay. Happy 500th video, everyone. Yep. Happy 500th video to you. You too. You're the star of this show. Yeah, I'm the star. Okay. Anyway, thanks again, everyone. We appreciate it, and we'll see you at the next car show. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.